everybody? Dr. Rick Wallace here, dropping in on you. I am going to be real quick about it. First of all, don't forget, if you haven't signed up for us to sponsor a space in my 25th book, Chasing the Ghost, The Quest for Black Wealth, go ahead, click the link in the description box, make that happen. You can, in this sponsorship, you can put under your name whatever you want. Pay tribute to somebody, living or dead, celebrate an accomplishment of your own life. But it'll be published when the book is published, and it'll be in every revision moving forward. All right, that's out of the way. Look, I talked about this a little bit before, but I'm gonna talk about it again. Disclaimer, I am not a fan of Nicki Minaj. Never have been, just not. Don't feel any kind of negative way towards her. I don't like her music. Not really like how she moves, and that's it. However, I'm about truth and I'm about right. So we talked about the fact that liberals turned on her when she decided to question the science behind getting a shot. Again, I'm not here to tell anybody what to do with the shot. What I'm here to talk about is the dynamics behind what's going on right now. My thing is, anybody that's putting something in their body should be able to want to understand what they're putting in their body. Anytime somebody wants to gaslight you, manipulate you, fearmonger you about something that's directly impacting you, you have a right to question it. You don't normally have to push somebody to do something good. So you need to question that. But here's my thing. The level of censorship that's taking place now. You cannot say anything contrary to the mainstream narrative. Anything said is being attacked, it's being deleted, it's being punished. You know, people are getting accounts suspended, accounts terminated. On Facebook now, not Facebook, on Instagram now, the term natural immunity, not the term, the hashtag natural immunity has been banned. And so you can't even use that hashtag on Instagram. I don't know how many other platforms are going to follow suit or how many have already followed suit. But in essence, what you're finding is that anything that moves against the mainstream narrative is under attack. When has natural immunity been a conspiracy theory? It's existed literally for all mankind. Yet right now it's under attack. My thing is, I think that when these type of attacks go unaddressed, and the easy thing, especially for someone like myself, who literally has space on these platforms outside of what I do in the black community, that literally is a part of my business and supports my family. The easy and the convenient thing to do is to sit out on the sideline and watch it go by, because there's literally no benefit outside of standing on truth, standing on principle, and supporting what you believe in. There's no other benefit in it. You're probably going to take a hit. You're probably going to get, but the thing is, the more people that step up, the more people that speak truth, the more people that speak what they believe in and speak their truth. I haven't told anybody one way or another what to do. It's not my place, I don't think, to tell somebody what to do on something this significant, because the truth of the matter is, either way it goes, you could end up in a bad space. People are dying, whether vaccinated or not. That is the truth. That cannot be denied. So I'm not going to tell anybody what they should do, because if they do what I tell them and then something goes wrong, even, then that's on, a part of that's on me, even if, it had nothing to do with it. You just know you don't want that. So what I tell people is, know what you're doing. Make an educated choice. And anybody that doesn't want you to make an educated choice, there's a problem. Now, I've said this on both sides of the argument. Science isn't science unless it can be challenged. A part of science is challenging the theory. The theory doesn't become theorem until it has been challenged and proven valid. So whether you're on the no vax side or the vax side, your position should be able to stand up to being challenged. Now, if you don't want anyone challenging your position, you don't want anybody looking into it, you don't want anybody asking questions, hey, something, it leaves a lot to be questioned at the very least. My thing is, we have to call these things out. Literally, my thing is, I don't care where you stand on this issue. Why is natural immunity a taboo topic? These are some things we really need to look into. And I'm challenging you to stand up and actually, in whatever way you can, be a voice. My thing is, whether you're for it or against it, be a voice, because the thing is, you should be able to have a right to make your decision and be open about it if you want to. Me personally, it ain't nobody's business. But if you want to speak on it and you want to be open, you should be able to voice your opinion. When people who are vaccinated speak, I don't interrupt them. I don't jump on them. I don't go, when people who are unvaccinated, I don't jump on them. I don't go tell them what they should do. That was their choice. And I think we're losing sight of this. Everybody has taken a belief and actually believes that their position is right, to the point that we've become hostile towards one another. We are policing one another. And it is getting to a point where we have got to do better. So on that note, look, I'm going to get off of here. I got a couple of stops to make, but I just had to talk about that. I was leaving the gym and I had to talk about it. I'm going to get off and finish what I'm doing, but you guys take it. Have a good day.